You look for a training in finance. Great. You have found the right channel. Here at Mastering Finance, you will learn incredible things that will leverage your career in finance. Check out our portfolio of on-demand courses below. Corporate Finance. In this course, you will learn how to make investment decisions to drive the company toward better economic performance. You will learn how investment decisions are made, measuring your returns and risks. You will learn how to calculate the cost of capital of the company, as well as decide on the optimal capital structure that maximizes shareholder value. You will be able to decide on the best dividend payment policy for the company. All this and more. Corporate Finance. A practical and modern course focused on the value of the company. Valuation. By taking this course, you will have a strategic vision of the company like you have never had before. You will understand the difference between value and price of a company. You will be able to do a financial modeling of the company for valuation. You will learn how the buying process of a company works to create value for the shareholder. You will know how to prepare a business to be sold. And more. You will learn how to calculate the fair value of the company according to various methods established by academics and practitioners. Valuation. A practical and modern course that will make you a great investor. Financial modeling in Excel. In this course, you will learn how to establish assumptions of revenues, costs, investments, and financing, and then build an integrated template in Excel spreadsheet. You will learn how to integrate balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow. You'll be able to do the company's long-term financial planning. All this and more. You will be able to build an amazing financial simulation model. Take the financial modeling course in Excel and change the way you make decisions.